BlueMetric is mission-ready water. We are world-class experts solving our clients' most challenging environmental problems. BlueMetric provides a full range of environmental consulting services supported by bespoke engineering solutions for emergency, self-contained, and permanent water systems, and is always mission-ready with a full range of in-house support. There is no successful mission without water. We are proud to partner with Atlantic Canadian Industries. We are mission-ready water.
Well, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and what an absolute pleasure it is to be back in St. John's, Newfoundland, here at the Over the Horizon podcast, brought to us by our good friends at ACATA, and of course, friends at BlueMetric, right? BlueMetric understands the importance of bringing that conversation to the forefront. You know, this whole industry is fueled with people, and there's people out there that find talent to work in all these industries, and that's where a company like yours comes in, Jacqui. So why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what you do.
My name is Jacqui Bailey. I'm the founder and president of HR Project Partners, which is a HR consulting and recruiting company based here in St. John's, Newfoundland, and we have an office in Labrador City. Our company provides HR consulting to many companies, small, medium, and large, as well as permanent recruitment, executive searches, and the provision sometimes of short-term contract personnel.
Okay.
So if a company don't want to hire the person full-time, or they only need them for a short period of time, then that's where we come in, and we can do the recruitment, and we can do their payrolling, and they're seconded to work with the client. So we currently do that for multiple companies across Canada. And
sector-wise, are you into one sector and looking to grow into others? How does that work?
Our primary sector is within the mining industry. Okay. We do some work as well in the oil and gas, cross-construction, project management, engineering, and we've done some work in the past as well in shipbuilding. And marine space and logistics, and of course we're always looking to grow,
right.
Alan.
Yeah, because HR is HR right across the board, and
yep.
So if you look at sort of aerospace and defense and the marine sector, and a group like ACATA, right? So ACATA is this incredible sort of association that brings its members, now over 200 members together, right? And their job at ACATA is sort of to understand the market needs, understand their members, and HR's plays a big piece of that. I know that they've done a lot of studies around workforce development and finding top talent and stuff like that. Must be exciting for you to be in the room in this sort of emerging industry.
It sure is, Alan. It's the first time I've attended this conference, and we are always looking for opportunities to expand and grow and to learn what the needs are. As you say, HR is HR.
Yeah.
Recruitment, the process of recruitment is the same across any industry and sector. And we all know that people right now are one of the shortfalls in many businesses is finding and attracting top talent. And of course then retaining those, top talent. And that's where we come in. We have a strong background. We're almost 10 years old in doing headhunting searches and trying to find those needles in a haystack for many companies.
Yeah.
So, and we love the opportunity to learn and grow as well across Canada.
You know, a true story of success, Jacqui, is one with this company right behind me, and of course BlueMetric, right? BlueMetric saw the things that were happening in Atlantic Canada and said, we need to be a part of that. And about a year ago, they made a significant effort to move into Atlantic Canada. And one of the first steps they made was to partner with your company because they knew firsthand that you knew the landscape down here. You knew you have a deep Rolodex. I'm dating myself when I say Rolodex, but you've got a big Rolodex where you can really tap into talent to help them grow in this region. So it must be very exciting to be at this event and getting your name out there with these new companies.
Absolutely, Alan, and we're very appreciative and are enjoying our relationship with BlueMetric. and in supporting them with finding their talent. And again, as I talked to Scott last night at the pre-conference, they identified that trying to find the correct talent, the right skill sets, was a challenge for their organization, and thus they reached out to HR project partners to support them, and we're very happy to be able to help them find their next new hires. The other thing as well, HR project partners, we also have our control goods certification. So to do work with the federal government in any space where privacy and those things, are very important. We have our control goods certification and are able to employ people to work on projects where that is a necessity, and that is the case in some of the shipbuilding, for example. Well,
that's it. What a wonderful conversation, Jacqui. We really appreciate you having it on the show. HRPP, turnkey HR solutions, whether you're looking for contract, full-time people, policies, procedures, recruiting, retention, it's all a one-stop shop with you. And I know you've got a great team of people behind you, but it all doesn't happen without solid leadership. So thanks for bringing HRPP to the conversation.
Thank you very much for the invite here as well, Alan.
BlueMetric is your partner and works with Atlantic Canadian industries and organizations who are concerned about the water health of our planet and the people who inhabit it in an environmentally and culturally sensitive manner. BlueMetric joins the growing number of like-minded, innovative Atlantic Canadian companies who are changing the environmental landscape for the globe in a world-class way. World-class experts solving our clients' most challenging environmental problems. We are mission ready water.